guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this synthetic lace wig to look natural. This is synthetic hair, but by the time I'm done with it, it's going to look like what you see here. So continue watching if you want to know how I got this wig to look like this. Hey YouTube, so today's review is going to be on a wig from the Mayreed store on Amazon, and it's a synthetic lace front T-part, 24 inches, deep curly in 1B. It's 180% density. They say that it's close to human hair, and the price is $39.99. I was sent this wig for review, so let's get into the video. Okay, so it comes in this plastic bag right here. And this is my first time opening this up after the Christmas break that we had. And Happy New Year to everybody. This is the wig cap that it comes with, but I like to use these wig caps, so I'm going to use that one. And this is the unit. How it comes, usually has like a hairnet over. Take off the hairnet. Okay, and it just has this tag that says 1B on it. I have to cut that off. And then it just has stuffing inside. And this is the unit right here. As you can see, it's a deep curly wig. And the lace, this is the lace right here. And it has the T part, which is right there, as you can see. So this unit comes with 3 combs, 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back. And it has an adjustable strap on both sides that you can adjust to your head size. Okay guys, so since I'm not going to put glue, I want to show you the easy way because I know a lot of beginners watch my channel. I'm just gonna cut the lace off right now. So first I'm gonna put some clips to hold it back, unless you guys want me to cut it on, but I feel like it's a lot of lace, so let me at least cut some of it down and then put it on. So I'm gonna use my scissors here, and I'm just gonna cut right along the hairline. Some people say you shouldn't cut it straight, like you should do like a zigzag. I don't know. Okay, got the lace off. Okay, so I cut the lace down as you can see, and now I'm just gonna put the unit on. So since this doesn't have a clip in the front, I would usually tell you to align the clip in the front with your nose, but we don't have a clip in the front. We have the hair clip in the back. So I'm just gonna use my better judgment. Okay, and then remember it has 2 hair clips on the side, one on the right side and one on the left side. So since it has a T part, I'm going to use that to try to align with the front. So I'm putting the hair clip right here, and then the other hair clip on the left side. Here, just like that. Okay, so we gotta try to pull it front so that the hair net underneath doesn't show. This wig is a lot of hair. So hey guys, as you can see, this wig is very full. It's 180 density, and as you can see, it doesn't look natural at all. Like, I would not want to walk out looking like this, so I'm gonna have to play with it. Some wigs you have to play around with, so I'm gonna use my hot comb. I purchased an electric hot comb, and I'm gonna see how I can make this wig look more natural, because right now this is like way too much hair. We're gonna work with it. Let's see. I've seen some of the other YouTubers just like, yeah, like loosen up the volume some so that this part could be like a little more flat. Laying it down, so you see, compare this to this, just to like take out some of the curls just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And then the back too. Okay guys, so I got it as flat as I could with the hot comb. I usually have my edge control that I use as a way to hold the hair in place, but I can't seem to find it. I put it out and I don't know where it is, and I'm not in the mood. I'm really not. So I'm gonna use my pomade, my Jamaican black castor oil hair butter, because it's pretty thick, so it will hold the hair in place. But first, let me remember. I think I wanted to take out some baby hair, because since I'm not using glue to hold down any lace, I'm gonna take out a little bit here and see. That'll help some with giving it a nicer look. Okay, so I took these parts out for the baby hair. Now, I'm not an expert at baby hair, but I have seen some people either cut it. I did see some techniques where they would just slick it down and then just whatever is remaining, like try, since this is curly hair, to put it in with the rest. So I think I'm gonna try that way. And so, all right, so since I got this out the way, I'm gonna take a little bit of the pomade, and then this is just to hold this in place. See, just like that. Okay, so now for the baby hair, I'm gonna use gel. Now this is called spiking gel. It has mega hold. It's comparable to the Got To Be glue, so if I wanted to use glue, I could use this. It's really not glue, it's a gel to put under, but I'm not going to be doing that. But I'm going to be just using it to slick down the hair. This is the consistency or whatever. So this is the cheaper brand of the Got To Be glue. Now I'm not an expert at this, guys, so please bear with me. We're gonna see if this works. We're gonna get this together. I am learning. guys, so I think I did a pretty good job with the front. So I'm just taking my brush to like make it lay down flat. I think I did a good job. Okay guys, so I don't want to comb this out because this hair is already big enough as it is. I feel like if I comb it out, it's just gonna get massive. So I think with these being curls, just let it be the way it needs to be. My main concern is just like making sure the hairline looks kind of decent. And yeah, because this is a synthetic wig. And I think me putting the pomade gave it like that soupy look, and then the baby hairs made it look really, really nice. So yeah, and I have a no makeup look on today. I don't want to put on any makeup. I'm probably just gonna put some jojoba oil on my face. Okay, so I decided to put makeup on because I feel like it did make the pictures look better. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I think it came out really, really nice. This is the front. As you can see, the part right there, the little baby hair is going. I think the pomade made everything smooth out pretty well. So this is how the front is looking. This is the side, the back. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style and Kharyzma for You Fashion. The lip gloss that I have on, is Copper Vibes from my Fall Vibes collection, and this is it. So check it out on my website, kharyzmaforyou.com. Check out my hair accessories, satin bonnets, scarves, head wraps, hair accessories, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for You.